Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm sharing 2 home decor DIYs using things from the Dollar Tree. I'm so excited for fall to come. I know it's right around the corner. For me, it feels like it is. I know we still have a month left, but I just want to get these ideas out for you guys. So let me know if you are enjoying these. I know I had a lot of requests on my last video to do more fall home decor DIYs, and honestly, I am just in love with this color this season. I love the neutral color, but I really want to incorporate more warm tones in my home this year, so here's a little sneak peek of what's coming. For the first DIY, you'll need these metal words, then 4 bouquets of your choice of flowers. I chose dahlias, peonies, and mums, your choice of ribbon, and a round circle mirror. Taking my hot glue gun, I'm going to glue on the top of the mirror on the black frame and then just add the flowers all around. So I actually made a spring version of this. I'll leave it linked down below in my description box if you haven't seen it yet. In that video, there are so many requests to make a fall version of the spring one that I did, so here it is. I like hearing what you want to see next, so let me know in the comments section. Don't be shy. If you have anything in mind that you want to see me do, let me know. There's no particular way in how I styled these flowers. I just looked at them and saw how pretty they looked in this way, so I just went with it, and you can do the same, you can do a pattern, it's up to you. So like I was saying earlier in the beginning of the video, I do want to add more warm tones to my house. I just absolutely love burgundy and orange and beige. These colors definitely scream fall. I will still add neutral colors of the fall season into my home, but I'm gonna This is another way I styled it in my entryway. If you don't want to hang it up, you can definitely put it on the side next to some candles or just by itself, and I think it would just look so welcoming and beautiful. Another way that it can be functional is being a candle holder. You can just get a glass bowl from the Dollar Tree, or if you have one, just put it right there and then add a candle in the middle. Preferably an LED light. I just have this for decor only. For this next DIY, you will need one foam board, stickers of your choice, and I just love this scripture that I found at the Dollar Tree. I had to have it. These pumpkin picks, bouquets of your choice, use 7 of them, and then 2 frame mirrors. I didn't want this video to be so long, so I just went ahead and skipped the process of outlining the mirrors. I just placed the mirrors on top of the foam board and then cut around it. I made sure to leave a little room between the foam board and the mirror, that way I can put the flowers on top, and if you want to move it around your house, you don't get cut with the mirrors on the edges. Then grabbing my sticker, I'm going to place it in the center. If you have a debit or credit card, definitely make sure you use it for the air bubbles. Now to the fun part where I can get my flowers and glue them down however I want. This is actually one of my favorite Bible scriptures. As for me and my house, we will serve the Lord. Joshua 24:15. I love placing scripture around my home because I feel like it just encourages my soul and it just uplifts me if I'm feeling down or if I'm just worried about something. I just look to Bible scripture here, and then it just reminded me that the Lord is with us and that He's always going to be here protecting us. What's your favorite Bible verse? I'd love to know. And this is the complete look, you guys. I actually already placed the pumpkins on top. I just took the picks out and then glued them on top of the flowers. You can use this as a serving tray. Here I put some glasses on top, and I just think it looks so elegant and beautiful. What do you think? I really like how it looks in the kitchen. I just know it gives it that fall vibe that I'm going for this year with the warm color. My husband actually gifted me these roses for the second time this month. I'm just so blessed to have him. He is so special to me, always wanting to make me happy, and just the little things are just the best. You could also place candles on top, you could put jewelry, you could add some more of your decor in here. Just the ideas are endless. It's whatever your mind can come up with. Here's how it looks if you just lean it against your wall. I absolutely love this style because I incorporated my Glam pumpkins next to it, and I just think it looks absolutely beautiful. So this concludes my video. Thank you all so much for watching and all your continued love and support. Let me know which DIY you like best, and I'll talk to you in my next video.